Hello everyone, Wilson from Wild's Adventure. Today we're going to show you how to make some chicharron encrusted chicken. So basically breaded chicken but with chicharron or pork rinds. Now I chose Goya because that's what I chose, but you can choose any type of pork rinds you'd like. Alright, so we already have the chicken already seasoned. You can use whatever seasoning you want. Okay, so I just have a little garlic powder, I have some pepper, salt, and I put some parsley. There you go, parsley. And then it's been seasoning for some time. So what we're going to do now is we're going to grind down the chicharron to encrust it on the chicken, and we're going to show you how to do that in a moment. So I've used a mortar in the past to grind my pork rinds, but today I'm going to be using a food processor. We have about 10 pieces of chicken, so I am going to go ahead and grind both bags. Gotta have one. Okay, that's 2 bags of chicharron, or pork rinds, excuse me. Now you might have some pieces that just do not crush. They're really, really hard pieces. Those are the ones I like to snack on, so enjoy those while you can. Now, keep in mind that you will have some chunky pieces in there. It's up to you if you want to take them out or not. Now, earlier I mentioned that I had seasoned my chicken already, right? Guess what? I saved some of the seasoning right here, and I'm gonna add that to my chicharron, because you get some extra flavor. Keep in mind that most pork rinds, the ingredients are simply that, pork. So let me see, for example, on here it says fried pork skins and salt. So that's all that you have here, fried pork skins and salt. So depending how much salt you have in here, you may not want to add it, but I always like to add, because it does add extra flavor. Mix it up. And of course, you're gonna wash your hands before you do all this, right? Of course. Let's go ahead and bread the chicken now. Okay, as I mentioned before, I have about 10 pieces of chicken. Here I have 4 eggs whipped. There is your pork rinds all grinded up, and here's what we're gonna put in the pan. So some people don't like to use eggs. They just like to put it right into the crust and then put it in the pan. That's totally up to you. But I like to put the eggs because it does bind it a lot better. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. Again, hands are nice and clean. While I'm doing that, I'm gonna let another one go in there. Coat it really nicely. Nice, 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 nice. So guess what? I ran out of pork rinds. We have 3 pieces of chicken left over. So those will just bake in a separate pan. And then these will bake with the, of course, crusted pork rinds. So we're gonna go ahead and cover it up with aluminum foil, and we're gonna let it sit. It's right now it's 12 o'clock. It's 12 noon. I'm gonna be cooking these about 3 o'clock, and let them cook for 2.5 hours, and we will see the finished product. See you then. Here is the finished product. Yummy, yummy. Well, that was the chicharron encrusted chicken. I hope you enjoyed it. The flavor was amazing. It was really, really good. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it and give it a thumbs down, let us know why. We like to make videos that are informative and fun. Also, please subscribe to our channel. I know you guys like cooking videos, so that's why I'm making more of those. So again, thank you so much for watching Wild's Adventures. Take care and God bless.